Welcome back to Speak Flow English.
We're glad you're still with us.
In this part, let's go deeper into the daily habits that make English practice easier and more effective.
Yes, because daily English practice is not just about studying. It is about building a positive relationship with the language.
That's right.
When you feel calm and positive, learning becomes easier.
And when learning is easier, you keep doing it.
Exactly.
So let's talk about a morning habit.
Great.
In the morning, before the day gets busy, you can spend just a few minutes with English.
Yes.
You can listen to a short podcast.
Or repeat a few simple sentences.
Or say a few things about your day.
For example, I'm starting my day. I feel ready. I want to stay positive. Today will be productive.
Those are beautiful morning phrases.
Very simple but very useful.
You can say them out loud while getting ready.
That helps your brain connect English to real life.
Exactly.
And the more your brain connects English with your routine, the more natural it becomes.
Now let's talk about speaking during the day.
Good idea.
Many learners think practice has to happen only at a desk.
But that's not true.
You can practice anywhere.
While walking,
While cooking.
while cleaning,
While driving.
while waiting.
Exactly.
For example, you can describe what you are doing. I'm making lunch. I'm answering emails. I'm going to the store. I need a short break.
Those are simple, everyday sentences.
And they are very helpful.
Because daily English is about daily life.
Exactly.
Another very helpful phrase is, I'm getting better at this.
Nice phrase.
You can use it when you notice improvement.
Example, I'm getting better at speaking English.
Or, I'm getting better at understanding conversations.
Great.
That gives you confidence.
Yes, and confidence helps you keep going.
Now let's talk about mistakes.
Important topic.
Many learners feel upset when they make mistakes.
But mistakes are not failure.
They are part of the process.
Yes, they show you what to improve.
So when you make a mistake, say this to yourself.
It's okay.
I'm learning.
I can try again.
This is part of growth.
Those are powerful thoughts.
Very powerful.
Because the way you speak to yourself matters.
Exactly.
If you speak kindly to yourself, you stay motivated longer.
That's true.
Another useful phrase is, mistakes help me learn.
Wonderful phrase.
You can say, mistakes help me learn and grow.
Very nice.
And it changes the way you see learning.
Yes, it makes learning feel safe.
Exactly.
Let's do a small conversation.
Sure.
I made a mistake in English today.
That's okay. Mistakes help you learn.
I still feel embarrassed.
That's normal. Keep going and try again.
I want to improve more.
You are improving, one step at a time.
Beautiful.
Very encouraging.
Now let's talk about something practical. How to stay positive when you are tired.
Good topic.
Sometimes people are busy, tired, or stressed.
Yes.
On those days, do not try to do too much.
Right.
Just do a small practice.
Maybe 5 minutes.
Maybe one short listening exercise.
Maybe one sentence aloud.
Maybe one review of phrases.
Exactly.
Small practice is still practice.
Yes.
And keeping the habit is more important than doing a perfect lesson.
Very true.
Here's a phrase for those days. I'll do my best today.
Great phrase.
It is kind, realistic, and positive.
Example. I'm tired, but I'll do my best today.
Very natural.
Another one. I'm still learning.
Yes.
That phrase helps you stay humble and patient.
Example. I'm still learning, and that is okay.
Excellent.
Let's talk about fluency now.
Great.
Fluency does not mean speaking fast all the time.
Right.
Fluency means speaking more smoothly, more confidently, and more naturally.
Exactly.
Even simple English can be fluent if you speak it clearly.
Yes.
So do not wait for perfect vocabulary.
Start with what you know.
Speak with the words you already have.
That is how fluency grows.
Let's make a phrase for that.
Okay.
Use what you know.
Very powerful.
That means do not stop speaking because you do not know a hard word.
Use the simple words first.
And then add more over time.
Exactly.
Now let's do another mini conversation.
Great.
How do you practice English every day?
I use what I know. I listen, repeat, and speak about my day.
That sounds simple.
Yes, but it works.
What keeps you motivated?
I remind myself that small progress matters.
Excellent.
Very good.
Another important idea is to enjoy your practice.
Yes, absolutely.
If you enjoy it, you will continue.
And if you continue, you improve.
So choose topics you like.
Music,
Travel,
food,
daily life,
motivation,
self-improvement.
anything that helps you stay interested.
Exactly.
Here's a positive phrase. I enjoy learning English.
Lovely phrase.
It is simple but very important.
Because if learning feels enjoyable, it becomes easier to stay consistent.
That's true.
Let's say a few more phrases for daily use.
Okay.
I'm ready to learn.
I'm making progress.
I'm building a habit.
I'm staying positive.
I'm doing better than before.
Great phrases.
These are phrases you can say to yourself every day,
Yes, they are like small reminders of progress.
and they help build a strong mindset.
Very important.
Now let's think about the end of the day.
Okay.
At night, you can review your day in English.
Great idea.
You can ask yourself, what did I learn today? What phrase did I use? What was easy? What was difficult? What can I do tomorrow?
That's excellent for reflection.
Yes, reflection helps memory.
And memory helps retention.
Exactly.
You can say, today I practiced English. Today I learned something new. Today I made progress. Tomorrow I will practice again.
That is a very positive way to end the day.
It really is.
And now, let's close this part with one final phrase.
Sure.
Tomorrow is another chance.
Beautiful.
It reminds us that every new day is a fresh start.
Yes, if today was difficult, tomorrow gives you another chance.
If today was good, tomorrow gives you another chance to continue.
Exactly.
That is a wonderful mindset for English learners.
It is.
And it is also a wonderful mindset for life.
Very true.
Thank you for listening to Speak Flow English today.
We hope this episode gives you confidence to practice a little English every day.
Remember, small progress matters. Keep going. Use what you know. Stay positive. Tomorrow is another chance.
Keep practicing.
Keep speaking.
Keep growing.
And speak better every day.
See you next time.
Bye for now.
Bye.